On this hunt, I'm taking my oldest son Parker out with the goal of getting him his first white-tailed deer. And the plan is to shoot one with antlers. We're on my mom and dad's farm in western Wisconsin, and it's opening weekend of gun deer season. Stay tuned because I gotta say, he was pretty happy with the result.
Yes!
Smoked it.
Oh my god!
It is Saturday, November 23rd, and it is opening day of Wisconsin gun deer season. I'm out here with Parker. Parker hasn't gotten a whitetail yet, so we're hoping this is his weekend to shine. It is a very, very quiet morning. No wind. We should be able to hear anything coming, but we're a half hour in. We haven't seen anything yet, but there's a lot of gunshots all around us. Right now, we are in the same stand that Kane shot his little buck during the youth gun season this year. As it's traditionally a pretty good stand, so I wanted to give it a try. And so we're waiting. Alright, so we're back in the stand. This morning was really slow, nothing all morning long. I'm back to, again, we're at my mom and dad's land. Went back up to their house and had a lunch break and chilled out for a little bit. And now we're coming out for the last few hours of daylight. And it's really still again, really quiet. Overcast. Feels deary. But we're gonna have to wait and see.
All right, so we got out of the stand in the after the morning. We went to the local bar and had some food, met with some friends, drove around looking for some deer and see any. But then I saw some down by the stand we were planning on going to, so this all happened so fast I didn't even think to get the video going. But I grabbed Parker, we started sneaking down to the stand, and we had a little bit of success. I won't show you what it is yet, but yeah, so we ended up putting a stalk on him. And the clip you're about to see was when Parker and I got in the prone position, started crawling into position on this this deer. But so check it out. He's walking to the left. Find him. See the pine trees up there? See the pine trees?
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
Do you see him? Keep looking for him. Look further to the right.
I see him. I got him.
Ready? Yeah. Right on his shoulder. Right at the back of the shoulder.
Am I good?
Yep. Oh, hell yeah.
Oh, there's another one. I have my eye on that.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you smoked him, buddy.
Oh, yeah.
Dude, give me 5.
I hit my eye.
Give me 5. Oh, yeah. I gotta take some layers off.
Yeah, I'm sweating. It was hard to like maneuver.
Could you hear it hit him?
I think. I don't know. I hit right here when I was trying to aim in.
Oh, that's called an idiot, Mark. You're learning. Oh, dude, we might have just got your buck. Oh, we did. You smucked him, and he dropped down. So I think you put it right on his shoulder.
He's a perfect shot. Is he a nice buck?
He wasn't as big as I originally thought, but he's a little basket rack. Well, 5 or 6 points.
Yeah, I didn't even see the doe that came out after that too. I'm shaking.
Oh, you see him laying up there? You see his white belly?
Oh.
Yeah, there he is. Here, let's call Grandpa, Grandma.
Okay.
Nice shooting text.
Huh?
Nice shooting text.
He's shooting text.
What do you think, Parker? Pick him up, show him to me. Here, tip his antlers up. Let me see his points. Good shooting, buddy. Yeah, I had you put it on that front shoulder because I didn't want him to get away. He was right up against, right 20 yards into our property, so that worked out. Grandpa, Grandma are coming to help us load him up now. That was quick. All right, so how this all went down, the house, my mom and dad's house is way over there. And we were coming through the woods, and we were gonna get in that stand there. But as we were there, looked all the way over to here, and I saw a deer just walking over the edge and disappeared. So we came up on this trail, boom, 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 boom. And we were coming through here, and we ended up ditching some clothes right there because we got around the corner right here, and we peeked around this stuff, and I could see them up there. There was another deer that way. Turns out there was another doe down there. But we laid down, crawled up to here, and that's when Parker got in position to take a shot. And whew, oh, I'm happy. So that's our first deer of the season. Took long enough to get to it. Over a day and a half, Sunday of opening weekend. But Parker got his first buck, and I'm super excited. So now we gotta get this thing out of here, and the work's gonna start. You just tell your mom?
What?
You just tell your mom?
No. I told my girlfriend.
Aw, that's sweet. Yeah. Here he is.
Oh, I hit a little.
Nice little 7-pointer.
I hit on the shoulder, not in front of it.
Yeah. That's all right, though. He went right down. We didn't have to track him super far.
Yeah.
Lose a little bit of meat, but I was more concerned with making sure you put him down and that we wouldn't have to call the neighbors to ask him to go on to their place. So they would have been fine with it, but
Oh, he's still alive. He's twitching.
no, he's not.
Yeah, look at his ear.
That's the wind.
Oh.
Oh. All right. So wait for Grandpa and Grandma to show up. Get this guy going.
Hey, Mom. Hi.
Oh, you did. That's not a doe.
Yeah, Kane said it was a doe. It's a doe. But it's got antlers.
Oh, you blasted it.
Yeah, I shot its heart out.
Oh, that's awesome.
Nice
Here,
buck.
let me get the gun too. That's
Big
sweet.
day.
Told you could get a buck, Parker. You don't have to settle for does.
Like you gotta throw this over your right shoulder.
Left.
Oh, left shoulder. I don't remember. Oh, God, ball hair got on me.
All right, Parker. Tradition. You can just grab right here. There's no blood. You gotta take this and throw it over your left shoulder for good luck on your next hunt. There we have it.
Yep, good toss.
All right, that's good.
Yeah,
Come here. Put your phone down. Time to try some heart.
It tastes like steak.
I don't try it.
Gotta try a bite.
I'll try it. Where's the... You hurt. Is this heart?
Yeah.
I'll try some steak.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I was saying. If you like steak, you'd like heart.
I'll try one.
Go ahead and finish it, yeah.
Here, take this one. That one. Take this one. You gotta eat that.
See, you guys
Yeah,
gotta
yeah.
listen to me. I know it's good.